What do you do when a viewer here on YouTube or somebody on Facebook or Instagram asks you a question about how to configure something in their electric car? Well, you make a new series. So here we go. EQ, or Evolution Quickies, How To. So what is EQ How To and what can you expect? Well, essentially, it's an easy way for me to answer questions from viewers that are basically things that are in the car, and it's much easier done by showing a short video of the touchscreen or the instrument cluster of the vehicle in question. Now, interestingly enough, is I've already made several of these videos that I've been posting as answers on Facebook because some people have asked very specific questions. Now, that means that I have some videos from 2019 that are related to my e-niro EV, but I've started making some for my Kia EV6 as well. That means that I'll have a few videos that should follow in the next few weeks. And if you have your own questions about certain things that you want to know how to configure in your car, well, put them in the comment section below and I'll see what I can do about answering them as quickly as possible. Now, this is usually something that pertains to the vehicles that I have access to immediately, in other words, the Kia EV6 or my wife's 2019 Kia Soul EV, but I do have access to some other vehicles, so I might be able to answer your questions instead of immediately, maybe a little bit later. But please feel free to put them in the comment section below and I'll see what I can do to help you out. So you can expect to see videos that are between 30 seconds and 1 minute long. In other words, very short snippets of information. So not that great for the YouTube algorithm, but if you want to help me with that, you can click on that thumbs up button to tell YouTube that you liked it. And if you really liked it and you want to see more of these little how-to videos or more in-depth things that I do on my regular series of videos, then please consider clicking on that subscribe button. It'll make me very happy and tell YouTube that you like what you see. So with that being said, thanks for taking the time to watch my video. What do you do when a viewer or a Facebook or Instagram? What do you do when somebody here on Facebook? Well, it's usually answered easily by making a very short video. And now my cat wants to jump up on me to play with the wire from the microphone. Come here, you. And this is why videos take longer than usual to make. Because kitty.